Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Dominoes 7 here. Like to welcome y'all to my Instagram live video. Okay. I am totally curious. I know y'all seeing them cars going where they going. Okay. I need to know when is the city of New Orleans is going to fix this hole. All right. When is the city of New Orleans is going to fix this hole? Okay. All right. Y'all see, when people come from somewhere, they got a left turn and go down the street down here, you know. So, and then some people wants to left turn this way and stuff like that. I bet that car about the U turn and go this way or turn left the other way, you know. Like I say, this hole been right here for almost 4 months, probably going on 5 months, you know. I want to know when is the city of New Orleans is going to fix this hole, okay? Y'all can't keep this hole like this forever, okay? I'm begging y'all, please fix this hole, all right? For the citizens, you know, because I'm doing this. I go to the RTA meetings and stuff like that, but I can't really make it to the city hall meetings, honestly, okay? But I am very, very concerned about this whole the potholes and stuff like that, you know. Y'all gotta fix this, okay? Please, I'm begging y'all, fix this hole and fix the streets of New Orleans, okay? Fix them potholes and all that, you know. I'm just I'm just sick of this city looking like this, you know. I'm I'm totally sick of this, y'all. Okay. All right, so I hope the city is watching this. Okay. All right, bye.